Hi, it is more important to have more customers, more profit. Human memory is not just perfect, and it is difficult to manage a large number of customers. If your customer finds any problem in your service or product and he needs customer help regarding service or product, he tries to contact the company by call. He calls the customer care but finds all lines busy at call center. He tries to contact by email but gets the response with a delay. Customer will disappoint and company will lose customers. But there is another option. Fynsis providing you a simple solution of it. That is Customer Portal. Customer simply opens his laptop and logged into Customer Portal, where he finds each and everything about company services. He can find opportunities, leads, direct support if available. Meeting schedule and tasks list here. Customer can also create new case and can check previous ones. He can update his profile direct from here. This Customer Portal is self-care. Clients will now have the ability to get answers to their inquiries, finish exchanges, submit support issues and inquiry your insight base. Responsive, the web and mobile perfect. Very adaptable client gateway for Suite CRM. No manual data handling. All data from the customer self-service portal is naturally refreshed inside Suite CRM and killing manual data handling. Magic of Suite CRM APIs. Data transmitted through the customer self-service portal is fully API dependent and verified with authorized entry to Suite CRM. Client dashboard. Your clients will get a devoted dashboard and can access and refresh every single module and its applicable records, contacts, gatherings, calls and cases. Highly customizable. Suite CRM admin can enable custom modules from admin page. All in one, clients can seek through past collaborations on to discover answers to questions that they have just asked. Drag and drop. Select modules from the hidden columns and request admin to enable you to drag the modules from the disabled column. Fynsis Customer Portal is simply easy to use and most secured with SSL enabled for encryption. Furthermore, you don't have to worry about the compatibility with your existing websites, because this is fully custom built to plug it on any WordPress, Joomla, OpenCart or any sort CMS in the world. This is just an independent self-installed portal on cloud that is tightly integrated with Suite CRM. Your customers can now reach you for support and assistance from anywhere, anytime. It is very easy to set up. Just install the pack from the Suite CRM portal and upload it in your Suite CRM, and you are now ready to give access to your customers. You might be worried about how much do it cost. This great system comes to you with just the price $450, which you don't pay us until you are 100% satisfied. Just download the 30 days trial version from Suite CRM store and we will help you to have the portal installed with up and running in no time. You continue using the portal for next 30 days for free. Thank you.